We got some Philly cheesesteak footlongs, and we finna demolish them. I ain't getting no coffee. I just got water.
Okay, just get it in. Look at that. Right on there. I don't know if it's going to.
I got bacon on mine, y'all. Y'all know I gotta do extra.
It's good.
I got some chips too. Okay, I'll get my chips.
Go get them. Go get them.
I'll be back, y'all.
Look at that steak. Y'all know she gotta do extra. That's good. I'm gonna talk about like Bray went out last night. Tell them how your night was last night. Look at it. That's
Yeah, I was teased. I had shot after shot of Hennessy. That's all I drink. I don't drink nothing else really.
Oh my God.
Y'all wouldn't believe I was on the table dancing on the bar. I ain't never got that wild. I had that much fun in my life. Never. But I had a good night though.
I'm talking about enjoying yourself. And you was out with one of your childhood friends.
Yep. All the way back from grammar school. You eating too slow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm damn not done with this piece.
I gotta chew my food. I learned because I was eating too fast. Get intestinal. Gotta do something extra. You already know. I know y'all be missing her. Tell her to get in the videos more with me. Comment down below. Tell her butt to get in the videos with me. Tell her y'all be missing her.
I left my napkins there.
You told me to put on there a little hot.
They, my niggas not hot.
They are hot. She know I be trying these hot stuff. I can't swing no hot peppers. She told me to put some jalapeno peppers. She said, Mama, they not hot and they're a little spicy.
They jalapeno peppers.
Well, it's good. It's good
I
how
got
you
them
made it.
made just like how nails get made. That's up. I like to do extra. I'm gonna put bacon on mine. I'm gonna be going to the bathroom after this, so I feel it coming.
Oh, I am too. We're going to be fighting over the bathroom. Yeah, we got 3 bathrooms. 1 is not functional. 2 is. We all be fighting over 1 bathroom. Well, nobody want to use the bathroom downstairs.
That's a damn shame. That's because everybody want to walk all the way downstairs.
And we be standing there at the door talking about, would you hurry up?
So, y'all tell me what's new with y'all. What y'all been up to? I know I got fans already, you know. What y'all been doing? You know, how's life treating everybody that be watching?
Mm-hmm. I hope it's treating you well. Life is about enjoying yourself.
Yep. Last night was some nights. I'm trying to tell y'all.
I couldn't even get her up today. Me and her sister wondering what's going on with her. I wish she could show y'all some of the video. Mm-hmm.
I had to sleep it off. And when you got alcohol in your system, you gotta sleep it off.
Me, I can't swing no alcohol. I hit one shot, I'm sleeping. I got to go to bed. Don't y'all hate them people that get drunk and then they get ignorant? They don't know how to hold their liquor.
Yeah, I hate that with a passion.
And stuff come out of their mouth that shouldn't. Then they regret it later on.
I mean, people that do that, they shouldn't be drinking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Certain things that you say when you drunk, you can't take it back because it damages somebody.
Mm-hmm.
That's why if you can't hold your liquor, do not drink. Now I'm a happy drunk. If I drink, I'm crying.
Emotional.
I'm emotional. I'm calling my brothers.
She called everybody else.
Tell my lover. I'm crying. They were like, you must have had something to drink. Because I'm not a drinker. I don't drink.
She had me dead, y'all.
I think I got that from my father. My father was a... let out the
excuse me.
She's not excusing.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the birthday queen, so.
Somebody gave her the birthing queen crown. Well, I can't argue. Come here. That's little old Queen Messiah. She mad. Come here, Queen Messiah. You want to say hi to the peoples? Get up there, say hi. She called herself mad.
Right now, we're sitting on the bench. Ain't enough room.
Ain't enough room for it. Now, if we was downstairs, it'd be different.
For that, okay?
Too juicy. We'll be smashing her. Shoot, me and Light Bright on here. I was asking her, is the bench okay? Oh, wow. Excuse me.
She's not excused.
Damn. This summer is going by pretty fast. Oh, wow.
I didn't mean to cut you off, Marco.
That's okay.
Go ahead, talk. It got cold as hell outside fast, though. It's cold already.
Yes, it is. Time to break out them coats. Oh, Lord, I hate the winter.
Mm-hmm. And the stretch pants with the hoodies. The coloring, laying up, watching late night movies.
Oh, she talking about some old sexual stuff. Look at it.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just saying, like, the Oktoberfest. Shoot. The 100 houses. I like this weather.
I don't, because I have to be out there shoveling snow. And if y'all seen what I had to shovel, I had a lot. I thank God, though, the grass is finna stop growing. It take me about 2 hours to cut my grass. 2 hours.
We got a lot of land where we stay at, y'all. A lot of land.
And the last time I really cut it, I was out there trying to cut it, and them mosquitoes was tagging me. I can't run it in the house. I don't know what it is about this year. Them mosquitoes is terrible.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Ever say you need nothing now?
Mm-hmm. Nah, today is just a chill day for me.
Yes, it is.
It's cold outside.
I know my butt is sleepy, too.
I'm sleepy. I ain't gonna lie.
I've been having my grandson. He's only 5 months, and he wants to be up at night. His mama worked nights. She was with me for about a week and a half, came and spent some time with me. Oh, my God. I love her. But I don't miss being up at night. 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, he wants to look at you and be laughing and want somebody to talk to him. I'm like, oh, my God. So my body is trying to adjust. These Subways ain't bad. I decided I wasn't cooking today. I ain't feel like it.
Why my nails getting so long?
That's because you're not breaking them off. Look at the nail. Look at it, just flicking them.
Nah, I ain't flicking them.
She got a little length to them.
I just hate my nails to be dirty. Like, I'm just a clean person. I got OCD real bad.
Oh, yes, you do. But it's a good thing. She picked that up for me.
Yep.
I give 1 out of 3. 1 junkie and 1 just don't care. She don't care. Get mad at me. But I love them. And I'm blessed. I got 3 beautiful daughters and 4 grandbabies.
She don't look like no grandma either. You're like, young. You got youth to you.
You a grandmama? Yes, I feel like one though. I mean, my kids, they get spoiled. They don't do nothing. Washing. Now, she'll help me. She'll clean up the bathroom, clean up her room. The rest of the house, excuse me, they don't have to wash.
I wash my own clothes. Because she be getting our clothes mixed up.
They don't have to cook. They don't even have to clean up. They don't even wash dishes. I cook as I'm cooking, I'm washing dishes. My grandmother and my mama taught me that. Then if somebody use something, wash it out. Makes it easier. The dishes ain't all piled up.
Full as hell.
Oh, Lord. Oh, man, you broke my mic. My little mic, is it okay?
I'm sorry, y'all. It was stuck. It was stuck.
One more little piece.
But give us something to do. Give us some more ideas to do. Like any challenges, anything that's going on now that's trending. You give us something to do. Because I don't really be on, I do be on social media, but I don't really be on that like that. I don't know what's trending right now. So.
Y'all see it take me a minute to get her to do a video. Mama. I'll be like, come on now. Y'all be requesting for her. She don't be want to get on. I gotta do this, mama. So now y'all know. Well, give us a thumbs up. Give us some likes. And if you have not subscribed to the Your Faith family, then please do so. I love y'all.